Hello everybody, got a zero turn here. It's a Cub Cadet 44-inch deck on it. Has the Kawasaki 15 horsepower engine, and I'm doing a spark plug change on it, so I wanted to show everybody on it. So here's what we got. When you're doing this, of course you'll want your spark plug wrench or socket and ratchet. Your spark plugs, I always use anti-seize, and you'll want a gap gauge so you can gap your plugs to the right setting. So I will start on this side. Try to get the camera so you can see it. Okay, the spark plug's right here, so you gotta pull the plug wire off. Always make sure you have the key turned off too. On this spark plug, it's pretty bad. It's probably been in there for a while. The guy said he bought it off of a older guy that's had it for a long time, and I guess he didn't take care of it very well. So and here's the new plug I'll be putting in it. I already pre-gapped them. I set them at 30 thousandths, which is right there. Sorry about the camera work here. But all you do on these, pretty much you bend this here little part with this here part of it. It's pretty simple to do. We'll put some anti-seize on this. It takes very little of it. Put just a little dab on there. Take and smear it around it a little bit. This will just help the next time when you're doing your plug change. It will come out easier, less chance of it seizing up in there. And when you put this back in, be careful not to cross thread it, because then you run into some issues. I always try to start them with my fingers, that way I can tell better. And this one's actually a different size socket on there. And put your spark plug wire back on it. Make sure it's on there good. And now to the other side. Here's a better view of what engine it is. This one's right here. When you take these out, they turn counterclockwise. And there's what that one looks like. So they've probably been in there for quite a while. And like the other one, there's the new one, and I'll put some anti-seize on that. And get it started back in there as far as you can with your fingers. When tightening these up, you don't want to get them real super tight, so use your best judgment. Put your plug wire back on. Make sure it's on there good. And that's all there is to changing the spark plugs on your Kawasaki 15 horse engine on your Cub Cadets. Pretty basic. It's about the same on all of them. So all you got to pretty much do is make sure you got the right spark plug. Check the gaps on it, see what it's supposed to be gapped at. Pretty simple. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great one, everybody. Bye.